Parkinson's is a brain disease, and it's nasty. Millions of people have it. It can make you shake, it can make you fall over, it can make you freeze, it can make you lose focus, it can make it hard to concentrate. It can even make you clinically depressed. Eventually, it can make it impossible to walk, or talk, or think clearly. We have things in our brains called neurons. Neurons make chemicals that make our bodies work. A chemical called dopamine helps us move. Dopamine also helps us concentrate. Parkinson's disease kills the neurons that make dopamine. In the olden days, Parkinson's was treated with bed rest. That made it worse. In the 60s, a drug called levodopa was invented. That made it better. And then even more drugs came along. But over time, the drugs that make it better can cause problems, and the Parkinson's gets worse. Putting electrodes in the brain can make it better. That's called deep brain stimulation, or DBS. But that's brain surgery, and it doesn't stop the disease from progressing. But now some doctors, clinicians, and really smart scientists figured out how to make dopamine-producing neurons with the plan to put those neurons into the brains of the people with Parkinson's. The neurons come from the patient's own skin cells, so they stand less chance of rejection. The really smart guy who invented this won the Nobel Prize in 2012. Cell therapy may help millions of people, not just with Parkinson's, but with all sorts of brain diseases like MS or Alzheimer's. This project has been privately funded so far by climbing mountains, having parties, and lots of other things. Now we need a few more $1 million to make more neurons, to bring cell therapy to patients. With your help, we'll be a step closer to putting these neurons into the brains of the first 8 Parkinson's patients. Help us help everyone. Support cell therapy for Parkinson's. Donate now. It's a good thing.